Hey everyone, Meads here, and if you're wondering why there is Super Deformed RX-78's head on the front and a chopstick, well, I'm gonna do a challenge. I'm gonna build my Gunpla with chopsticks. And I started this in Gundam Eclipse, and pretty much what I put there is I'm gonna be using 2 chopsticks, no other assistance, and to build this kit. So I went ahead and powerlined the kit, and I'll be building this in parts. And if you're interested of joining, go ahead, do a video of you building your Gunpla, and do a video response on this one. And it's really hard. Polycap is not supposed to be that way. There we go. That seems to be secure. Next part. Not to mention I'm doing this in front of the camera. There we go. So I guess what I'm doing is sorry, excuse me. I need to clear my throat. Okay, I need to secure it with my left hand. Press down with my right. There we go. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna hold it in a way that you can just drop that in. There we go. Same thing. Hold it down with my left, because I'm right-handed and I can't really use my... There we go. That seems to be secure. Yeah, but I'm right-handed. I can't use my left hand that much. Actually, I need to train it a little bit yesterday for this challenge. Okay, I just need to put this on top. There we go. And here's another problem that I've encountered. How are you gonna press that down? Well, I guess the same way. And hold it down and press the side. Gotta be careful because you don't want to break the kit nor your chopsticks. Press here and the camera. There we go. It's all sealed. That's good. Now, the V-fin. Put this guy in the back. There you go. Let's see. I can put this down there, but I cannot push it down, so I'm gonna flip this over and get this. Okay. That's. Yes. You might be thinking right now, why are you doing this, Meads? Well, something fun to do, I guess. Something interesting. There we go. Awesome. Okay. Oh, great. It's not holding. Okay, here's another part. Maybe if I hold the the V-fin down there and press it against that. We'll see if this works. If not, try something else. Okay. Hopefully I don't break the kit. Oh, it works. Alright. So that's the first part. I built the head with chopstick. Awesome. So I'll be going to the next part of the kit. And yep. So again, I'll probably post the link below for Gundam Eclipse, where I posted the Gunpla challenge in building with chopsticks.